Welcome back to Cars of Sweden Live. It's 2022. We're back in Sandered as usual. Depot. Sean is a busy man over there. Right. So we're going to check in with him in a sec and see what we got coming up, what's new in the depot, when the auction is, and just have a look around basically, yeah? Can you get me knees in? Oh, Jesus. Yes, matey. All right, close up. We are in a Volkswagen Beetle. What's it all about?
1975, one of the last ones into Sweden. This one's been in the garage for a few years, so we're just giving it a bit of a test drive.
All right, you say one of the last ones, I mean, what type is it then? They've got different types on these cars, haven't they?
This is the last production model of the cabs into Sweden. I think they came with like 1,000 1975 models.
Right.
And of the cabs, I don't know, maybe 100 maybe.
Okay. Perfect weather. Oh shit, there you go. Can you see anything? Because I can't.
Cab driving.
Yeah, I mean it's freezing cold here in Sweden still. It's like around zero. There's still a bit of snow on the ground, loads of ice. Children in the road as usual, and we have no roof. Check that out, look. And we are freezing our knackers off, mate. But the reason why we're doing that is because it's 2022 now, and there's a new auction coming up, isn't there, Sean?
Yep. This one will come out of the auction, but we just got to probably give it a little service. It runs fine, it brakes okay, but it hasn't been driven much in the last. Hasn't been driven very much in the last 2 or 3 years.
Right.
So it needs a bit of a.
Bit of a oil change and clear out.
Yeah, just needs a set of timing of it and check the battery and everything.
But these things are pretty simple, though, aren't they? You know, so it's not like it needs the engine out or anything, is it?
If it does, it's only 4 bolts. And we're ready.
It seems to go all right to me, mate.
It hacks a little bit, but I mean, yeah, it's all right.
What's the gear changing like?
Smooth.
Right.
Smooth operator.
Right. So, but this one's not going up on the next auction, you said, no?
Yeah, it'll come out in February.
Oh, it will be out in February, yeah. All right. So, yeah, I mean, convertible Beetles, they're still sought after, aren't they?
You bet your bottom dollar. Everybody wants one of these.
But while I was in the depot, I saw another convertible in there as well, yeah.
Yeah, that's an MGTF.
Right, so we're going to have a look at that one as well, yeah? Quick look. Okay, Sean, yeah, so we're inside now, in the Wolf. You got yourself a MG here, yeah?
Yep, it's a TF from 1954.
Right.
Classic little English sports car.
It's a nice little shape. It kind of reminds me of a Morgan.
Yeah, it's got those like, long wings with the running boards.
Yeah. But there's no wood on that one then, no?
No, not on this one.
Alright. So another sort of classic car going up on the auction as well, yeah?
Yep.
Anything we need to know about this one?
No, I mean, we haven't we just rolled it in, so we haven't done anything with it. So we just need to give it some test drive and check it out, make sure everything works. It starts and...
It looks really good in there, doesn't it? Engine runs and everything, yeah?
Yep.
Nice wheels, nice tyres, it's a good condition, mate. I mean, how rare are these?
A lot of them went to the States after the war.
Okay.
With a lot of the G.I. Joes took them back to the US
right.
in England. You could take them back free of charge.
Okay. Just stick them on one of their warships, yeah?
Yep. So they're really popular in the States. But I mean, there's still quite a few on the road. You don't see them so often.
No.
You go to a car show, you see them perhaps 5 or 6.
Nice roof, that looks pretty new.
Yeah, it's a nice car. Considering it's like, what, 54? 70 years old now.
It is very nice, mate. And you got a load of bikes here. I see, you know, I mean, I'm not a big bike person. Well, I'm not a bike person at all, but I do know Norton.
I've got this CJ from 1936, really cool. Yeah. Like a double seat. Then we got like a Triumph TR5, and then we got the ultimate Norton Manx.
What's the special thing about that one then?
That was the top of the line racing bike in those days.
Okay.
That's the bike they drove on the Adaman TT.
Right, yeah.
It's a super quick bike back in the day.
Alright.
Then we got some other things. We got some cross, mainly Swedish cross bikes.
Alright.
Husqvarna and Husqvarna.
Okay.
I got another. That's pretty cool. This is about 1 of 30 bikes. It's a Monarch litho. They used it as a trials bike back in the 60s. So that's really cool. This is the most iconic one.
Right.
This is a Husqvarna 400 Cross.
Right. What's so iconic about this one then?
This is what Steve McQueen had in the 70s.
All right.
So
Steve McQueen was riding around on a Swedish bike?
Yep. He had one of these. I think the one he actually did the jump on the Great Escape, I think that was a Triumph TR6.
Right.
I mean, this is fully renovated and they fetch good money, these bikes.
And all these bikes are going up on the auction as well, yeah?
Yeah, they're all coming out.
Right. So, bikes and classic cars, mate.
Bikes, getting into bikes. I like bikes.
All right, so you heard it here. Right, 2022 is here. We got some more interesting things going to be happening on our show. So, yeah, this is just like a first thing we did since the snow disappeared. but like, we're going to have a lot more stuff coming up, yeah? So a lot of more interesting stuff as well. So auction is beginning of February.
So around the 10th of February.
Right. So, yeah, so this is just a little glimpse of what's going to be on there.
Appetizer.
Yeah, exactly. That's what it is. It's an appetizer. So, yeah, thanks for watching the show. We're back. We'll see you again soon. And, yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and all that good stuff. And, yeah, see you on the next one.